Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Jason MRAZ. I think you recognize that name. This one is called I Feel Like Dancing. So he really shares this vibe with us, dancing vibe here. And this song is actually very easy to handle and play as well. We will have clean here on the fretboard, no need for any capo. And with that, we're gonna have 5 chords. Yeah, 5 chords. So let's start with the chord here. It's the first one here, E minor. So that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C next, so that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D, and that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And finally a bar chord, the B7. So you place the bar here on the second fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings, and then you add the 4th here on D string and 4th on B. So there you have the chord, guys: E minor, C, A minor, D, and B7. Okay, so before we look at the chord progressions here for the different parts, we will learn the strumming pattern that will work for the entire song here. So grab the first chord, the E minor. One strumming round will be down, down, clap, down, up. Down, down, clap, down, up. So a couple of rounds of it will sound like this. Okay. So that is how it goes. Now let's take a look at the different parts, and you will put this together on your own. You listen to the song, but I'm gonna show you first the verse now. And the chord progression here will be 4 strum rounds per chord, and the chord progression will be E minor, C, A minor, and E minor. So it starts and ends on the same chord here, E minor. So 4 strumming rounds per chord, and it will sound like this. C, A minor, and E minor. All right, so that is the verse. Then we have a pre-chorus. I like to shake a leg. And that will be E minor 4, C 4, A minor 4, then C2 and 1 down only on B7. And this 1 down, it will be with a shorter break afterwards, builds up for the chorus part that comes right after. So pre-chorus, it will be E minor 4, C4, A minor 4, C2, and 1 down on B7. And then comes the chorus. So the chorus is very easy as well. You're gonna play C2, D2, and E minor 4. All right, so that chord progression will go on for 4 rounds here in this first chorus, and you will see how many rounds it will be for the other choruses. I believe it's the same actually. So anyway, I just give you the different patterns here, and you will put it together by your own. So by yourself. So it will be C2, D2, and E minor 4, like this. That pretty much covers Jason MRAZ I Feel Like Dancing. So Good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Play tuned.